If you're trying to convert M4A to MP3, I've got an app for you that my brother and I have made. It's a file converter that works directly on your desktop, Windows and Mac. So you can check that out in the link in the description, but it's as simple as dragging in your file. Could be audio, could be video, could be images, and then you select your output. In this case, we're going from this M4A, and we can select MP3, WAV, any of these audio files, and then we hit convert. And it's going to save that file directly next to wherever the file is that you brought in. And you can bring in multiple files if you want to, and it'll just save them right next to all those. So this is called ConvertSave, because that's basically what it does, is it converts and then saves, and it works directly on your computer. It doesn't upload your files anywhere, so you don't have to deal with any sketchy websites. That's ConvertSave. Hopefully you guys like it. You can check it out with the link in the description, or just go to convertsave.com. I'll catch you guys in the next one.